Jishu sir to INS. It was an absolute pleasure to have you with us on board.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
So firstly tell us, I mean this entire poster, the trailer, the teaser, everything looks fab from audience perspective. We want to know, have you gone through it and how thrilled and excited are you for the release?
Of course I am. There's no two ways about it. Working with Priyadarshan sir is like a dream come true. And Priyadarshan sir and me, we go a long way back. Actually, we know each other for quite some time. There's a tournament called CCL, Celebrity Cricket League, where he was. Now he's not a part of it, but he was an owner of a team, the Malayalam team which we have, Kerala Striker. So I think in 2012 or 13 we got to know each other, and I told him, sir, I really want to work with you. And थोड़ा time लग गया, लेकिन 2025 में we shot the film, and it was a great experience. And of course Akshay sir is there, Paresh ji is there, and the entire cast was brilliant, the crew was brilliant, and Priyadarshan sir as a director, we all know if he's doing a serious film, it is a serious film. If he's doing a comedy, horror comedy, then it is. He sets the platform, he sets the bar, and I think this is one notch थोड़ा ऊपर ही है. When it comes, when it releases, people will get to know.
You know, when we talk about Priyadarshan movies, right, as from the audience and journalism point of view, we call it as the Priyadarshan universe, his verse, right? And when you talk about Akshay Kumar, when you talk about Rajpal Yadav sir, when you talk about Paresh sir, all of them have worked with Priyadarshan for so many of movies, right? How difficult or easy was it for you to, fit in and make that space?
The first couple of days, I was really, how would I put it? I won't say I was tensed, but I was, working with the Priyadarshan. And on the set, he's a very chilled out director first and foremost. He's having fun on set. He is taking advices from everyone. मतलब अक्षय पाजी आके बोलते कि sir ऐसे करते. He said, this is a good thing, let's do it. So he's like that. And the first couple of days I was little, because he used to say cut and he used to say next shot. So I was thinking, यार थोड़ा बहुत इधर उधर हो रहा है शायद. So I went and asked Abhilash, who is the next in command. I said, Abhilash, yaar, sir is not saying anything. Is it okay? No, Jishu sir, everything is fine. He's like this only. Then, after 2-3 days, I was little okay. If he's not okay, he will come and tell you. If he's okay, he will not tell you anything. So, but it's fun to work with him. There's no two ways about it. We had a lot of fun. In fact, me and Priyadarshan sir, I was the only actor in London where we shot. There was a schedule in London, and we had so much fun out there also.
Right. If you could tell us a little about your role in the movie.
That I can't. I'm a part of this film. I'm a part of this film, and I'm acting in this movie called Bhoot Bangla. But yeah, why I'll tell you. It is a film where every character has got a very significant role in the film, where if I say my part, I have to actually say Akshay Paji's part. Then I have to mention what Tabu is doing in the film. Then I have to mention what Paresh ji is also doing in the film. So by saying what my character is all about, I have to tell you the story. So which I don't want to.
Okay. I just wanted to know that, since we are talking of Priyadarshan sir, which has been your favorite movie?
Loads.
And that I remember, in INS interview, Priyadarshan sir said that while audiences laugh at the movies that I've made, they've seen the scenes 20-30 times, but they laugh with the same intensity.
Absolutely.
But I don't laugh anymore on my movies because I feel that comedy is done just a poor business for me.
Oh shit! I don't know about that, but the serious films which he has done down south in Malayalam, I think those are incredible films which he has done. The serious kind of cinemas which he has done, and we know him as a director who has directed, say, a Halchal or a Mala Mal Weekly or a Bhul Bhulaiya. But the kind of films which he has done, I can't just pick and choose one. and say, you know, this is my favorite film or something like that. But I think he's one director. I'm sure any actor who's watching right now or who's not watching in India would love to work with him. So yeah, I'm one of those lucky one who got an opportunity to work with him.
Yeah. When we talk about the kind of projects that you have done, not just in Bollywood, throughout your career, right? I wanted to know that considering over these years, if we talk about the content or the project that probably you want to take up, what kind of scripts drive you towards the project?
You know, I'm my mentor. I would say Rituparna Ghosh. I've worked with him in almost 6 films, 5 films as director, and 1 film I acted with him also. So he was my mentor, and he said something to me, you know, which stayed with me and which I follow. Is when I hear a story, if I take out my character, if the story is still complete or it is incomplete. If the story is incomplete without my character, I will play that role. So that's how I choose my films. It can be one scene in the entire film. It can be the entire film I'm there. So it doesn't matter to me. What matters to me is the importance of the character which I've been offered. So yeah.
Right? You worked in Bengali, you worked in Bollywood. I really want to know that what kind of difference do you feel? Because South versus Bollywood तो हमने बहुत सुना है. मुझे ये version जानना है.
It's only the money. We complete average Bengali films budget would be around what? 3 CR? Yeah. So most of them, I would say. Yeah, there are films which are 9 CR, 8 CRs. But there are probably 1 in 2 years or 1 in 3 years. The average Bengali cinema is 3 CR. It can be 2.5, it can be 3.5 max. So that's the only difference. You know, we complete a film, average, we complete a film within 16 to 18 days with songs, with 3-4 songs in it. We complete it. And here we can't even think of, you know, completing. If I see a big budget film, say any Sanjay Leela Bhansali film, one song will take 8 days or 10 days. वहाँ पे तो हम लोग 60% film खत्म कर देंगे 10 दिन में. So yeah, that's the only difference, the money part. Otherwise, you know, the technician we have, there are a lot of Bengalis who are working in Bollywood right now. There are so many technicians, so many DOPs are there. Shudipda is there who works with Sanjay Leela Bhansali and also is been doing work here. Opigda, there's so many. You talk about the music directors. Pritham is there. Shantanu Moitru is there. So there are भर के Bengalis हैं यहाँ पे. And so yeah, difference technician wise, talent wise, difference कुछ नहीं है. It's only the money part.
Right. I mean, now that we're talking about Bengali, the intersection in Bollywood, right? It reminds me of Rishikesh Mukherjee.
Of course.
It reminds me of Jaya Bhadur.
Absolutely, absolutely,
You know,
absolutely.
so, while growing up, how much of impact did these Bengali Bollywood actors have on you?
Not at all, because my father was an actor, a theatre actor, most primary. But my mother used to say one actor in the family is enough for the family. So I was never into acting. I was a cricketer. I played for Bengal under 19. I was a drummer. I'm still a drummer. I have a band. So I was into music and cricket. I was never into studies. So, but then by default, today, almost 30 years, I'm going to complete next year. So yeah, 29 साल हो गया industry में. So I've never. I still don't watch films, by the way. I have never watched my films. I think a couple of them I've watched. I love Tom and Jerry. I love watching the Marvels and the DCs, the Batman, Superman. I love watching them. I love action films, which is mindless, not the action which has got little sense into it. No, I don't want to watch them. So yeah, these are the films which I really watch. But I have not watched any of my films which I've acted in. Which I hate myself when I see myself. It's hard, but the hate word is really harsh. But yeah, I don't like myself. So yeah, I don't watch it. So yeah, so I've never watched. While growing up, I was never into films. No.
You know, when we talk about songs, I mean, when we talk about the culture that Bengalis come from, we have Robin Shongi, we have so many other songs, and the art and culture, which is the
Right.
necessity of joy for the
Right.
Vis-a-vis when we come to Bollywood, the kind of lyrics I'm talking about. When we have Rabindra Nath Tagore have who's written such meaningful, delightful songs, and when we talk about certain lyrics over here at times, where we just find them land up into controversies because of some kind of wrong words or whatsoever. When you hear such songs in Bollywood, do you kind of what goes through your mind as a Bengali? Because
But you no, it doesn't matter. I hear Gulzar Saab also. You're not mentioning Gulzar Saab. You're not mentioning Javed Saab. Why not?
I'm just tapping to the controversy.
No, why? Why? You don't need to. You know, what you want to listen, you listen. What you don't want to listen, don't listen. It is absolutely up to you. You know, if you can, I can comment on something which might create a controversy back in Bengal, and which I don't want to. What I want to do is, why create negativity while there's so much of negativity around us. I'm a very positive guy, and I would love to hear Gulzar Saab. I would love to hear Javed Saab, and which I do. There are other lyricists who have done incredible work in Bollywood, not only in Bollywood, in Marathi, in Punjabi, down south, and of course in Bengal. And you know, you can't compare Rabindranath Tagore with any of them also. And in fact, I would not even compare Gulzar Saab or Javed Saab to someone else also. So, you know, it is up to you what you want to listen. There will be creators who are going to create what they know best. And I can't blame them by doing it because people are listening to them. So you can't blame the lyricist for writing it and creating a song by the music director which creates a controversy. But सबसे ज़्यादा views उसमें ही होते हैं, likes उसमें ही होते हैं. तो फिर क्यों सुन रहे हो आप? अगर आपको अच्छा नहीं लग रहा है, मत सुनो. Plain and simple.
You know, I remember Priyanka Chopra had once said that when she was an established actress in Bollywood and she just switched to Hollywood, she had gone from the scratch, grassroots level. How difficult, and you Bengal ke aap दिग्गज हो, and when you come here, right, how difficult or easy was it for you to kind of start from the scratch? Because we come from preconceived notion that एक होता है ना कि हम तो set है और वापस यहाँ ना हम uncomfortable or how tough is it?
No, I would say my team has really forced me, and I mean, I would say about my manager, she has pushed me a lot. You know, you should come out of your zone and start doing work outside Bengal, and which I was not very keen on because, as you said, I was very happy in my own zone. But then when I started it, I won't say it was difficult because people, especially all the Bengali directors out here like Pradeep Sarkar, Anurag Basu, Sujoy Ghosh, Shujit Sarkar, I've worked, I think, with all of them. Yeah, I've worked with all of them. So they knew the kind of work which I have done, the kind of industry I come from. So it was easier for me here. Look, how you look at it. You can say, yeah, it was really difficult. मैं यहाँ पे आके ऑटो में जाके मीटिंग्स की हैं. मैं यहाँ पे ओला उबर में जाके मीटिंग्स की हैं. It doesn't matter to me. Today also, if my car is not working, I'll take a rickshaw and I can go. I have no problem with that. किस नजरिया right, you said नजरिया से आप देख. So I will not see me going in an auto as a struggle. It's fine. There are 1,000 lakhs crore of people who are going in autos and cycles and doing ये. हालत में बोल सकता हूँ इसको घुमा के, मैंने बहुत स्ट्रगल किए हैं, मैंने बहुत ये किया. It is about how you put it, how you see it. Yeah. So I have not struggled.
Okay, since we are lacking on time, last question. If you want to tell the audience why should they watch Bhool Bangla, because जब हम देख रहे हैं तो काफी हद तक audiences से ऐसे comments आ रहे हैं कि अरे कहीं ये थोड़ा भूल भुलैया टाइप्स तो नहीं, क्योंकि it's horror comedy again.
I will answer this. Very simple. Bhool Bhulaiya mein main nahi tha. I'm there in the film. Please go and watch it. No, it's not that. Please go and watch it because I think Priyadarshan sir is coming back with a bang, and I can assure you this is nothing like Bhool Bhulaiya. This is very different. This is a horror comedy. Bhool Bhulaiya, I won't say it was a horror comedy. It was a psychological thriller, I would say. And Akshay Paji and Priyadarshan sir coming together after so many years. Just go and watch it.
Just one last question. ये बहुत news आ रही है कि movie is getting postponed to the 17th or something like that.
मुझे पता नहीं है. 10 तारीख लिखा हुआ है यहाँ पे, तो 10 तारीख ही है.
ठीक है. That's
Thank you.
so much.
Thank you. Thank you.